My name is Gianluca Maccani. I'm part of BN Group and Polytec since 2006. Joined the company initially as a software developer and then project management, and I finally came to the USA in 2018 as a CTO. Who is Polytec? Polytec is a part of the group. BN Group is an holding, Italian holding. Just to have some numbers, we have 400 employees now globally around the world. Part of Polytec, we have companies in US, in Mexico, in Brazil, South Korea, and we are expanding around the world. And Polytec is essentially the active branch of the holding that take care of everything that is regarding mechatronics, automation, robotics, industrial automation, power, and everything related to the industry. So today I would like to talk to you about one of our projects that we are developing together with GMB Heavy Industry. It's a project that started in a couple of years ago as an R&D and is now a successful installation in one plant in North America, and we have more coming. It's called PolyTEST. It's a robotic solution for taking samples on the cooling bed of a rolling mill for long product. So this robot is capable of reducing downtime on the cooling bed on a rolling mill in the range of 2 minutes for each heat, up to 300 hours a year, just because the robot itself will be able to detect the position of the bar, the position on the rake, scan with a 3D vision system, identify where to cut the bar, going out using an OxyCut or a plasma cutting system. So it's capable of cutting with OxyCut or plasma cut piece of a profile. It can be an angle, it can be an H-beam, super light beam, round bar, another long product, merchant and light structure. With these technologies, retrieve this sample, go to a ortho and cut the last sample that will go to the laboratory. All of that with the safety of having a robot exposed to risk, not operator anymore, and reducing downtime of the mill itself. So it's a good example of what a partnership between companies can bring solution to customers that really need to improve safety and traceability and productivity on their plants.